Hello everyone. For today's video I'm going to be working on this Christmas ornament. Now this is just one of those plastic ones that I pre-painted in this gloss black. Now I used this last year. This is the indoor outdoor apple barrel, which is, you can use it on porous or non-porous surfaces. And I used it last year and they were fine. And that I just sprayed them with a matte finish when I was done. And as long as you don't store them somewhere that's super hot, you shouldn't have a problem. And that, so I pre-painted this so that it was coated pretty well. And I always shine a flashlight in there and look around and make sure that I got it pretty well covered. And then I kind of eyeballed my center point there. So I'm going to use some non-traditional colors with oranges and purples and stuff for this one. And let's get started. So I'm going to use the number 11. And I got this orange flame color for my center dot. And then I'm going to use the number 2 and go around that. So I'm going to do the 4 and then 2 in between each. And now I'm going to go up to the number 3, and using warm white, I'm going to do another row of dots. Now I'm going to go up to the number 4 and use sour apple and do yet another row. Now I'm going to come in with this lilac color, which is a very light purple. And let's go with the number 8. And I'm going to do every other dot in the next row. Okay, now I'm going to go down to the number 2 and I'm going to walk some white dots around those. Okay, now I'm going to come in with this brilliant purple color and I'm going to walk dots around those that I just did with the number 2. Okay, now I'm going to come in with this vivid violet. And I'm going to come in with a number 8. And put a dot right in between each of those. I'll go down to the number 2 and walk some white dots around those. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the number 3 and I'm going to come in with the sour apple again. And I'm going to dot around what I just did. I'm going to come in with the number 6 with that orange flame color again. And I'm going to put a dot right in between these. Okay, and then still using the orange flame, I'm going to make a bigger dot. Let's go up to the number 8. Okay, now I'm going to walk some white dots around those. I'm going to use the number 3. And then I'm going to use this lighter color orange, Tangerine, and I'm going to use the number 3 and go around them again, around the white. Okay, now I'm going to come in with a number 7, and I'm going to go back to that lilac color. I'm going to go down to the number 5 into that vivid violet color, and I'm going to do 2 dots underneath each one of those. Still with the number 5, I'm going to do a white dot out from that one. Okay, now I'm going to go down to the number 2. And still with white, I'm going to do a dot on either side of these. Okay. Now we're going to start top dotting. And I'm going to come in with the number 4 and that purple, brilliant purple, and dot on these lighter color purple. And then I'm going to come in with the number 3 and the lilac and do these other purples here. And then still with the number 3, I'm going to come in with Tangerine and dot on these orange flame ones, this inner ones. Okay, then I'm going to go up to the number 4 and do the outer tangerine on the outer orange flame. Okay, now back down to the number 3, and I'm going to put the vivid violet dots on these light purple. Alright, and then I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Let me put one of these inserts back in and I'll show you what we got. So if you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you. I hope you all like this ornament, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.